await information from the forensic teams, from the NIA teams, from the special cell, from the NSG that are at the spot examining all of this. All I can tell you at this moment is that Delhi is on high alert, the Noida and UP is on high alert, Mumbai, Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir are also on high alert. We're also being told security has been increased at Mata Vaishno Devi temple in Jammu, and security has also been stepped up in Bihar, which is going to polls tomorrow. That is literally the kind of alerts that have been sent across. For now, let me toss this over to Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan, who's at the spot where this explosion took place. Madhav, what more can you give us from the spot? It's over to you.
Thank you so much, Navika. It's a very, very grim evening here at the Red Fort where we are currently located. In fact, you can see how, in fact, security personnel are coming in. The National Energy Commandos, it appears, are at the spot even as we speak. And in fact, you can see the huge rush of those commandos as they are going into that particular location. And this is, in fact, a spot which is right outside the Red Fort area. This is, of course, an area which is barely a few hundred meters away from Chandni Chowk on my right side. And let me just explain to the viewers what has happened even as we speak. A vehicle, an I-20 vehicle, as the Commissioner of Police has told us, was coming down this particular road, and it was where it reached this particular red light that the vehicle, which is about 100 meters away from where we are standing, exploded. The nature of that explosion is such that we're seeing car parts that have flung about 100 meters away. This is the location where you can see a portion of a white car, which the eyewitnesses claim was the vehicle in which the explosion took place. And all of this has led to the complete clampdown, the complete shutdown of the Chandni Chowk area, an area that is normally very crowded. And the very fact that this happened just a few minutes before 7 p.m., the very fact that it's happened at this very red light, right outside the Red Fort, right next to Chandni Chowk, raises some serious questions about the timing. Of course, the Home Minister himself, when he was asked about when he has in fact put out his statement this evening, has very clearly specified that all angles are being probed. The very fact that you have the NSG, you have the National Investigation Agency, which is tasked with probing acts of terror in this country, is here on the spot along with forensics as well as other branches of Delhi Police who are present on ground, goes to show the manner in which the security establishment is thinking. Let's first listen in to what Home Minister Amit Shah said in his statement earlier today evening.
आज शाम करीब 7 बजे दिल्ली में लाल किले के पास सुभाष मार्ग ट्रैफिक सिग्नल पर I-20 हुंडई गाड़ी में एक ब्लास्ट हुआ है। ब्लास्ट के कारण आसपास की कुछ गाड़ियां और कुछ मार्ग पर जा रहे लोग भी इंजर्ड होने के समाचार हैं। प्राथमिक सूचना जो मिली है उसमें कुछ लोग हताहत भी हुए हैं। ब्लास्ट की सूचना आते ही 10 मिनट में दिल्ली क्राइम ब्रांच, दिल्ली स्पेशल ब्रांच की टीमें स्पॉट पर पहुंची है। एनएसजी और एनआईए की टीम एफएसएल के साथ अभी गहन जांच करने का शुरू किया है। आसपास के स्थान के सभी सीसीटीवी कैमरा और बाकी सब चीजों की जांच के आदेश दे दिए हैं। मेरी सीपी दिल्ली से भी बात हुई है, स्पेशल ब्रांच के इंचार्ज से भी बात हुई है। सीपी दिल्ली और स्पेशल ब्रांच के इंचार्ज स्पॉट पर मौजूद हैं। हम